Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I have some really pretty papers and cardstocks to show you guys. And I have this haul from Craftonline company here in Australia. They are my #1 go-to whenever I need craft supplies, and they always ship it out super fast. And I am so excited that I've got all of these beautiful collections in front of me. So let me first start off by showing you some glitter cardstock. Now I completely ran out of all of my gold cardstock. So I have been using the rose gold and coppery colors, which I also very love as well. But I really truly need some gold back in my crafty life. So I was able to find this one here called the Diamond Chic Glitter. I believe Alicia got one of this as well and she shared. And that's how I got to know. And I also saw some American crafters buy this particular brand from over there. And I didn't know that we can buy it from here until Alicia shared on her video. So look at this, you guys. I love that this is shed free. It even says on here 100% shed free, and it is a really nice cardstock, like not too thick, not too thin, just perfect for die cutting. And I believe this pack gives me 20 sheets, and it was a really good price. So when I finish using this, I definitely will need some more of this. And then I got similar tone gold, but this is more smooth cardstock. And this is from a brand called Poppy Crafts, which is really affordable price for us here in Australia. And this comes in pack of 10. And this again is a really nice size, thickness for die cutting. I'm also doing like Easter crafting and some St. Patrick's Day crafting, so I needed some glitter green, and look what I found. Isn't this so pretty? Also from Poppy Craft brand, so I think each pack was like $3.95, something like that. That's amazing price for us here in Australia, you guys. Then I have always wanted some of these shaker bits from Doodlebug Design, and I was able to find this particular one here, and I'm gonna keep this packaging for sure. And look, you guys, it gives me like adorable little chicks and tiny carrot pieces and bunny pieces and like little confetti circle pieces. It is such a pretty, bright, happy color in this bottle. And I'm going to be definitely using this a lot. So pretty. So I am so happy I have that one. And then I never knew they had these beautiful color pastel tone threads. So I grabbed 2. So pretty, isn't it? And then I also grabbed this one. I've always wanted a really wide roll of double-sided tape so I can use this for my backing, like when I'm die cutting like thin word pieces and things like that. Very useful to have. So I grabbed this big roll. So that's going to be very handy. And then Simple Stories also had these beautiful Easter colors, like in pastel tones. But it's actually from a collection called Say Cheese Classic Pooh Baby. And I just love this color combination so much. I had to get it. And I don't have many of the gingham type pattern paper as well. So this pack, you guys, it is just so precious. Look at it. Look at the color. It is so pretty. Look at that. So pretty. So I have that one. Then I have this color here. Bright Happy Sunshine. Then I have this green. Like it's in the pastel tone, but it's not so soft. It almost looks bright as well. I think you know what I mean. Because I'm not into like super light tone. So pretty. Then Echo Park has released this new collection called In Full Bloom. And I was like, do I get it now or do I get it later? But I was like, no, it's going to get sold out. So I got this. And it's got all of the colors that I love. And it's also has like butterflies, bumblebees, gumboots, umbrella. So pretty. Like sun hat, tulips. I love tulips. And it's just such a pretty color combo that I really had to have. And it's got really nice size flowers and like little sizes. Because sometimes I like to fussy cut them because I don't get to have the ephemera packs all the time. Really nice design. Look at all of this. Yesterday was my birthday and this came on my birthday, so it was like perfect timing. Absolutely perfect timing. And the shade of green, so pretty. And look at this, you guys. I mean, how could you not love this, right? Really nice colors and really beautiful shade of pink. So pretty. And that's the other side. Oh my gosh. And then this one. This one here. And all of these cut parts. Oh, look at the shade of the green. So pretty. I am so excited to be using all of this. I will be creating lots of different Easter themed projects. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. And I have told you guys before, wrong words come out. And then sticker sheet. So pretty. And I feel like Echo Park sticker cardstock stickers, they have really improved a bit because they are giving lots of good size variations. So nice. Then I have always wanted to try Mintay papers, and this one here I have been eyeing on it for a while, but I just wasn't sure. But because I'm doing lots of spring type projects, I thought it was perfect timing. And this is called Blossom Serenity, you guys. And another good thing about this collection is that even the front cover is really good cardstock matte finish. And I can use these images as well as all of these fussy cutting images. So pretty. Look at the colors. It is just absolutely perfect. So pretty. And it even gives you all of these. Oh my gosh. It says it's a gift. Oh my gosh. It's a gift that's included in this pack. Wow. And I have 2 sheets. Oh my goodness. That is so nice. Oh my goodness. Stack of books. Oh my gosh. And tulips. Wow. So this is a really beautiful scene. So you guys know that I am enjoying like collections like Stamperia that tells a beautiful story. And I believe that Mintay collection also does that as well. So I am really loving all of the magical feels that I get. And I get to like fussy cut images and add it to different sections, make it my own. It's just so pretty. Look at the bunch of tulips. Oh, so pretty. And really good, thick cardstock, you guys. And it looks like you get 2 of each, which is really wonderful because I can use one with this and one with this. I love the teapot and the teacup, the beautiful flowers, the scenery, the doily. It is just magical. And the color tone of the bright sunshine yellow with the different shades of pink in amongst. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I am so in love. And then look at this one too. Wow. Then, see this? It's going to be so magical. And I love this. And these cut apart pieces. Oh my gosh. So pretty. And even the other side, you guys. Look how pretty the other side is. And then what's this? Wow, these are really nice too. Gosh. And that's the other one. Then I also got this one. It's called Home Sweet Home. I'm a real homebody person. I love my home. Home is my sanctuary. And I love lilac tones as well. This is just such a pretty collection, and I'm gonna so enjoy using this as well. Look at all of the elegant frames, stack of books, envelopes, flowers. Oh my gosh, the books in the basket, the bows, coffee cup, teapot, the adorable ducky at the bottom. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, and look, Mintay paper gives you lots of gifts. So now I have more, which I can share with my friends. Wow. And then this scene. Gosh, I would love to be sitting right there. It's so pretty. So, so pretty. I think this would be perfect for scrapbookers, but for people like me who love die cutting and creating embellishments and happy mail projects, I can utilize these really well too by like sectioning. Like I like to use different sections on different projects. But oh my god, this is so, so pretty. Look at that, you guys. So, so pretty. Wow. And I gotta show you this carefully. Look at that. So nice. And look at this house. What a home sweet home, right? And speaking of house, you guys, we are moving. So if you have sent me happy mail before, you need to erase my address. I will be moving in 2 weeks' time. So I have started packing and I am very, very busy. So many things are being thrown at me in 2026 already. And it's only like end of February. But we are managing it one by one and handling it. And I am very, very thankful to God for guiding me and supporting us. Yep, it's been a really tough time as well. I haven't been sleeping well, but I am just so, so glad that I have things being solved now. So I am very, very glad. And I'm very, very thankful for all of my cutting dies and papers that are my friend. And you guys, of course. And I have ran out literally every part of the pink cardstock. So I had to grab several sheets of each. I believe I got some glitter cardstock as well. So this is the shiny, I love this bright, happy shamrock clover type of green so much. I got 2 of those. I believe I grabbed some basil cardstock. You could probably tell by the texture. And I don't remember the name of these, but I got 3 of this one. And I got 3 of the Happy Sunshine Yellow, which would totally match with my Mintay collection I got. And the spring. And then I got this one here. I think this one was called Strawberry, actually. I think that's why I was drawn to it. So, so pretty. And then some of them might have been called bubblegum and stuff like that. I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this. Oh my goodness. And then I got 2 of this one. They all look pretty similar in a way, but they're all very different. See how you can see all of these pinks? They're all different. So pretty. So I basically grabbed lots of different shades of pink family. And then this one here is another one. This is a more specialty sort of basil cardstock. It's like extra thick. I didn't know that. And it's a really pale tone pink. And then I have this one here. This one says it's, does it have a color name on here? I'm not sure. I don't think it does. Oh, maybe. In the pink it says. But this is the pearlescent one, you guys. It's got a little bit of shimmer. So, so pretty. So, you guys, I got to stock up on things that I really need. And I got to grab some spring paper collections that I can work with. And I will be sharing with you guys many projects using Scrap Diva Design cutting dies, KS Craft cutting dies, and so many things are in my head, but I will get through them. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for listening to me. And thank you so much to all of you who have wished me happy birthday. I am now 48. Last year, I've been telling some people that I'm 48, but last year I was actually 47. So I finally get to be 48. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.